Welcome, everyone, and a special hello to seniors from every corner of the world. This channel is your home for learning how to make money online using free or low-cost marketing tools, simple tutorials, and practical guidance that anyone can follow. Whether you're looking to earn a little extra, build something meaningful, or explore new skills in your golden years, you're in the right place. Alongside the practical how-to lessons, you'll also find spiritual healing, gentle guidance, and manifestation practices to support your health, wealth, and prosperity. Because success isn't just about money, it's about inner joy, confidence, and feeling alive again. This is a community built for seniors who want motivation, learning, and a sense of achievement, all while staying connected, inspired, and empowered. So come along, subscribe, and join our growing family of seniors from around the world. Your next chapter starts right here, and it's going to be a beautiful one.